Welcome back to part 3, and this page explains everything that I'm tired of this Wait, I keep following. Okay. Butterfly wing or leaf fairy wing? Definitely this one. This one's biggest. Like, as I hope I don't this one. I don't think I don't know. Yeah, do this one to be nice. Since I acted out, it's not sure what is hard. First, I get to So now let's go to the next step, which is I don't know. Okay, guys, where do we go? Alive, frozen alive. Okay, wait. Cute frog feet or feet skirt version of cute frog feet with green frog pink. I'm sorry, but I like the bow. But let me see this. Let me see the difference. Yeah, this is more like my style. Wait, I think this is not my style. Wait, I don't know. This one sounds kinda cute, but I'll go for this one. I don't know. Both are cute and both are my style, but I don't know. But my goal for today's video is not to die. Because if I said my goal today is not to fall, because that will be a huge total fail. Because I keep falling on all these. I'm not really good at it, you know. Orange brown hair with bow tie or cute green cute hair. No, that just gave me a heart attack. Bro, what? Meaning heart attack at the end. What I'm saying is okay, be right back again. So guys, I made my decision. It's not gonna be gay because it's so ugly. So this is mine. I don't know. I'm so bad at music, so you just know I'm so bad. I'm bad at doing things. Finally! Wait, be right back. Wait, let's go back. I think I said something. Like again from Marco. Sorry. I'm in first person. I'm in the album. This is kinda hard. My face is sticking to the ladder. No, I see one of those ladders in real life in school. Master Happy Face or Vampire Kawaii Vampire Face. So ugly. This one. Even uglier. What I eat? Jolly Ranchers? No. Sour Patch Kid? Oh nah, bro. And one of my fears is one of my fears is actually being alone. Like literally alone. Like one time, my mom, okay, a cute white man hat or cute green hat. It's so cute. Like one time, my mom said, "You will sleep and will come back to your friend's house again." And I sleep, and when I wake up, I'm the only one because my sister and my dad and my brother is not here because they're like selling pineapples. We were poor that time, okay? And my mom had to take care of me. And I don't know where my mom went. Cute, white, black bunny or cute dog. Plastic. I do like bunnies, not just because they're, like gold, but they're not. What? What? Okay, fine now. Put it away. Let's do it in first. Okay, Ow! We're back. Okay, guys, sorry about that, but I had to go to a first person in real life. But we have to stick to these circly things with stars on the side. Okay, okay. We're not connected. Hold up, I suppose. We're almost there! So I'm going to the second person or third person. No, 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 no. Be right back. No, I'll be Ilang bangungot? No? Wala? No? I don't know, I was recording. What? The what? What? Having fun with you guys? Being quiet. Wait, wait. Pink black fix that black product with this one. This one is this one is this one this one. I want other colors paper.
Đâu, bao giờ? Taon? Hả?
Ano?
Taon? Hả? Teh? Bukan taon? Tuh, kinaw? Tuh, nilagay?
I want other color. Oh my gosh. Wait back. So we're back. So then, that is packing rocket details. That is very ponytail.
Senator Bato de la Rosa na magtago muna para iwas posibleng pag-aresto ng ICC. Ayon kay Padilla, ginawa niya ito dahil ayaw niya umabot sa punto. Haharap siya mismo sa mga dayuhan kapag inuuli si Bato sa harap niya. Dagdag pa niya baka raw umandong sa matinding konfrontasyon kung mangyari yun. Si Bato de la Rosa ay kabilang sa mga iniimbestigahan ng ICC kaugnay ng illegal noong nakaraan na administrasyon. Inamin na Senator Robin Padilla na pinayuhan niya si Senator Bato de la Rosa na magtago muna para iwas posibleng pagkakamagaling.
But that's the part for just 7. Only 7. Then 50 until just this video.